Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here, and today we will share a video about where the Aliexpress hair are from. And few days ago I uploaded a video of me going to the hair trade market, and some of you are asking me a question where the hair are from and where the AliExpress hair are from, and today I will answer it. And I went to the market, hair trading market, and it's very you can see very eye-opening experience. And in this market they are selling hairs like vegetables, which is surprised me. And here what struck me most is the price of the hair. You can see in this videos most of the people are selling hairs which are one bundle, and they are binded with different color of belt, and that is virgin hair, which some of you might call it raw hair or virgin hair, and but in Chinese we call it 变法, or literally it means a braid hair. Braid hair means it's a braid on a girl's head, and we directly cut it from their head, and so we call it braid hair. And some of you might call it raw hair and virgin hair. That kind of hair, the price varies from 3,000 RMB to 5,000-6,000 RMB. That equals around $500 to $800 per kg. That is what makes the hair different price is the hair is dyed with color before or not, and the hair has every process or not, because in China many girls, they will dye their hair with colors, and they steam their color to make different texture, and this kind of hair will is cheaper. And those hair without any processing before on their head, that's much more expensive. And all those hair in the market, most of the hair in this market are from China, and those buyers, those traders, they goes to everywhere of China, they collect the hair, and they are coming back to this market. And this is the biggest market, one of the biggest market in China, where sell the raw hair, and they are selling it just like vegetables. And there are also some vendors, you can see there, they are selling messed up hair. These are all messed up, and they try to put it in the bag like this, put in the bag. That kind of hair, you know how much it is? Only 100 RMB per kg. That is maybe $20 per kg. That means $20 per kg compared with $800 per kg. That's 40 times difference. And those kind of hair are also purchased and sent to the factory, and they are processing it. They are strip all the cuticle, and they are making it's called non-remy hair. And from here, I think you understand why the hair price is so much different. Non-remy hair only $20 per kg, but virgin hair, raw hair, is $800 per kg. That is huge differences, and that's the reality. And most of the hair, they are all from China as well. And see, let's go back to the topic where the AliExpress hair are from. And I see not all of them, but there's no any like Indian, Brazilian, Peruvian here. There is not here. They are only name it. Maybe they just label that name. Brazilian hair might have there is Brazilian hair, but that is kind of virgin hair, raw hair directly cut from Brazilian people, but it will be sent, it will be purchased to by American, by European factories, because their texture, their hair texture, the curl pattern are very much similar to the white people or black people, and so those hair will be directly purchased by American people or European people to make hair, and it will never come to China. And same Peruvian here, no, and India here. There is some Indian hairs in AliExpress. That is floor hair. Maybe the hair is coming from the temple, which are dropped on the floor, and it's collected and processed and not make some non-remy hairs and sell on AliExpress. And most of the hair in AliExpress are from Southeast Asian and China, and like Myanmar, Vietnam, and Chinese hair. That is most hair. There is no any Brazilian hair or Indian hair or Malaysian hair. There isn't. And what type of hair is the best? The best type of hair is, of course, so-called virgin hair. This hair, which are made from raw hair, braid hair, which are not made from the floor hair, right? If you know the floor hair, only $20 per kg, and virgin hair are $800 per kg. Of course, from the price we can see it's very much different, and 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 that's it. That's most of YouTuber also says what is right, and you got what you pay for. That's the true things. You just got what you pay for, and because you if you want purchase a virgin hair at non-remy hair price, that's impossible. And virgin hair in this market is also, it's very limited sources. Try to understand, and you can hardly purchase any virgin hair from real true virgin hair from AliExpress. You know, there are not so many resources of virgin hair in this world. There are not so many people are cutting their hairs and make and sold. So not 100%, but 95 to 99% of the hair are remy hair or non-remy hair, which means it's not made out of virgin hair. So that's it I shared till now, and future I will do more videos and explain more about this hair business. Thanks for watching. See you.